Hello, my name is Christina Hitz with the Lincoln-Lancaster County Health Department. I'm also a member of the Crusade Against Colon Cancer. March is Colon Cancer Awareness Month. Our message this year is that it's time to fight back. Colon cancer is highly preventable, treatable, and beatable, but it remains the second most common cause of cancer deaths for men and women in Lancaster County. If you are over 50, you should be screened for colon cancer, keeping in mind that if you are at a higher risk, for example, if you have a family history of colon cancer, you should be screened earlier, and you should talk to your doctor about this. The Crusade Against Colon Cancer partners with 34 Lincoln and Lancaster County pharmacies, and we appreciate each of those pharmacies' assistance every year for their help distributing free colon cancer screening kits. And today, I'm at Hy-vee with Jill.
Thank you, Christina. We've been a partner with the Crusade Against Colon Cancer since 2012. We're excited in 2020 to again partner. Please join us at any of the Hy-vee pharmacies or any of the participating pharmacies in the Lincoln-Lancaster area. It's time to fight back.
It's time to fight back.